YouTube, what's going on? It's Tez here, back with another fire video. And as you can see, we got the 335 here, and she's already up on jack stands. So today we're gonna put these bad boys in, these downpipes, do this weather trim right here because that's peeling bad. That's why I got that box back there. And put my wheel spacers on because I got 15mm wheel spacers that's going on the front and going on the rear, so I can have it fit a little bit better until I get wheels. So I'm going to get wheels, but yeah, that's what we're doing today. My GoPro battery is on 13, so I don't know how much of this I'm going to be able to record, but yeah, so that's what we're doing, and I think that's about it. And later I have to go pick up my remade key so I can swap my CAS and my ECU, my old ECU, back in here so that I can get access to my MHD licenses that I had when I was running stock turbo on the OTS maps that they had from MHD. The only way I can get access to those is if I have everything cloned over to my old ECU, because my old VIN is the one that I had on my E93. So yeah, so I have to get that clone on there, install that. That's fairly easy, and we'll have the old tunes back. It'll be stage 2 plus pretty much, running E50 in a matter of like what, 2 or 3 days working on the car. So full bolts on, charge. The last thing is the charge pipe really, and yeah, so let's get right into it. All right, my boy Gons is under there. I don't know what part he's on, but just know it's get done. And yeah, so this is how bad this cracks is. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's like that all the way around. It's normal, it happens, wear and tear, especially if your car's just sitting in the sun and you're not driving it. It's gonna do that. So yeah, it's ripped up pretty bad right here. And this is fairly easy to do, so I'll try to record as much as I can. I just wanted to show you a complete before so y'all can see, and then after. So I'm gonna try to set it up time lapse and whatnot, but yeah, let's go. All right, so as he's down there, I just finished up peeling out all the old trim that was in here on both sides. As you can see, walk around on this side. Had to roll my windows up because I didn't want that stuff getting in my car. I did this fairly quick, so got all this stuff and empty. So I'm about to just put the new one in. I peeled off all the old glue and stuff, so it should stick right in there and go. All right, my GoPro is about to die, but as you can see in the time lapse, my bro Gon's got the is that the what's that, the rear downpipe? Yeah, the rear downpipe is in. He just tightened in a V-bang clamp up there with the bolt up at the top, and then we're just gonna put the other one in. But I have to charge this GoPro. It's on 4%. But yeah, I'm gonna update y'all whenever we get all of this in, so y'all can hear the startup and everything. All right, so 3 freaking hours. It was not really 3 hours, but a long time later, I had to go fishing for the right hardware bolts that you have to get for these cars, for the downpipes, for the exhaust, like where the downpipes connect to the exhaust. Yeah, specific bolts you have, not specific, but they have to be small enough to fit into the holes and to the stock downpipes and whatnot. So yeah, so that's what he's doing. He's buttoning that up, and I'm just gonna time lapse that. And we're just gonna button up the bottom and everything, and that should be it.
We need to get some fucking like floodlights or like
Yeah.
some shit you can sit down.
Alright, so we got that. Everything down there is buttoned up, downpipes on. I'm about to put my wheel spacers on. This wasn't even part of the video, but yeah, we got 15 mil wheel spacers, hub centric. Gonna go all around, so I'm about to do that right now.
Bro. little wheel off. Like, you're like, this shit ain't moving. I'm like, bro. Yeah, look at all that shit burning off of it.
No, that's the what's the name, right?
Yeah, that's just the stuff we sprayed on there. It's gonna burn.
Yeah, let me see. So the 15 mil wheel spacers look good. Like they fit good. I feel like they fit really good. This light works, of course. But this light, I gotta go get it fixed. That's all that stuff. This smoke is from all the PV blaster stuff he had to spray up there and whatnot. It's burning off the downpipes and stuff. So I'm just let it just stay on, burn off. And I'm about to put the wheel spacers on the rear. Oh, and if y'all haven't already seen how it sits, it's tucked in there pretty good. See? Tucked in there pretty good. So, about to put the 15 mils in the rear. We're doing 15 mil all around. It's tucked in. So yeah, let's get it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I think that's going to conclude this video. The wheel spacers are on, 15 mil all around. Next thing I gotta fix is light. That light is out. This one is perfectly fine. I'm gonna have my boy open that light up, look at it. I'm not worried about that. But got the trim on. Trim looking good. Sir. And that's it. We up out of here, man. Downpipes in. Stay tuned for more videos. Hit that like button. Subscribe if y'all new. And we up out of here. Let's go.
Hey, did this by my lonely? Hey. I've been staying low-key, ayy. Dead presidents, my homies. I've been high smoking O's, these are OG, ayy. I've been getting no sleep,